Hello everyone, this is Mary Ann, and in this video I would like to review this hole punch from Fiskars that I purchased online, and it's actually a craft punch that can punch out a perfect circle that is 2 inches in diameter. I use it mainly to punch out the hyperdex, which I am using for my daily pages, and I have to have a separate piece of paper for the hyperdex because I'm using the Staedtler Triplus fine liner to shade in the portions, and they bleed through so bad. Just to show you an idea, this is how they bleed through. But if the hyperdex circle is pasted on here, the bleed through does not matter. So that's what I use this hole punch for. Now, I like it because it does the job that I wanted it to do. However, it can only punch 3 sheets of 80 GSM paper at a time properly. There, pops right out, and then you have a perfect circle. But if you try to punch out, for example, 6 sheets, let's double this, so to make 6 sheets, it doesn't feel very stable because this is just plastic, and I could almost feel it about to break, so I'm afraid to do that. I'm afraid to even punch it all throughout. The perfect thickness would be 3 sheets of 80 GSM paper, and so there you get the round ones. Now, how is it with 1 sheet? Not very good either. Let me show you. You get raggedy edges if you punch just 180 GSM sheet of paper, and sometimes it gets stuck. See, look at that. But I can imagine that if you use cardstock, let's find some cardstock here, or thicker paper. I can imagine that if you use cardstock on this, like for example this one, this is cardstock. This is just 1 sheet of cardstock, but if you punch just that 1 sheet, it's gonna come out okay. So, in conclusion, the Fiskars hole punch is only good for punching 1 sheet of cardstock or 3 sheets of 80 GSM paper, but not 1 sheet of 80 GSM paper, and nothing thicker than cardstock or 3 sheets of GSM paper. There. So that is my review of the Fiskars hole punch round 2 inches in diameter. So I hope this review was helpful to you guys. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!